We are now moving to Morocco for the next segment, where we have two wonderful speakers I'm very pleased to introduce you to. The first is Hicham Lahlou, a graduate interior architect and designer from the prestigious Académie Charpentier in Paris, named in the lifestyle and design category as part of the 100 most influential people of African descent in the world in October 2021, Knight of the Order of Arts and Letters of the French Republic, curator, author, and special envoy and advisor for the Middle East, North Africa regions of the president of WDO. And he is joined today by Samir, Bennis, the CEO of Moroccan-based industrial design firm TRAREM. TRAREM is a third-generation family business, and in 2018, Samir transformed the business company into an institutionalized, well-governed institution. I'm sure we'll get a sense of the leadership role Samir took in order to transform a decades-old family business. Welcome to both of you, gentlemen. Hicham, please unmute your microphone.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
Thank you so much for the introduction, and we are very happy to be here, and happy 65 years to WDO, and happy World Design Industrial Design Day. So we are very happy to be here with Samir.
Yeah, thank you also for the introduction of TRAREM and me, and I'm honored to share with you this first the talk about design. It's a new concept for us, and I think it will be a good. It will be a good thing for the future, and for the relationship with Hicham and WDO partnership.
So today we are going to talk about the leadership through this partnership that we start in July 2021 with TRAREM. TRAREM is an industrial company founded in 1957, and we are celebrating also 65 anniversary of the company. And I became design director of TRAREM since July 2021, and we have a partnership with TRAREM, and also I'm working with Samir Bennis as a general manager, and we are going to talk about different questions regarding leadership, and sharing with you some examples and some answers and some questions. So we can start, Samir.
Yeah. Yeah, Hicham, the first question is sorry. Why is design in the MENA region and in Africa not integrated within states as an ecosystem favorable to business growth, human, economic, and social development?
So thank you for the question, Samir. I think I just want to mention something for the people that they are watching the panel session, that David Kosuma, our president WDO, said during his speech when he became a president in past weeks, that his focus for his mandate will be for to develop relations between WDO and Africa, and to be focused on Africa and also Latin America. So I think it's very important to think how design can be a power for social development, human development, economic growth for the MENA region and also Africa. There is a lot of opportunities regarding different regions in the continent, and we have also in Africa different communities of design. But I just want to say something and mention something, that there is no industrial revolution in Africa. and also in MENA region. But I can say that after the industrial revolution came after a while, in the beginning of the past century. And we have some example like TRAREM as an industrial company start to think how to develop products and solutions for their consumers or clients. And there is some different examples in Africa and also MENA region, North Africa also. And I think we should to think how to integrate a global strategy regarding the different regions of the continent and this region, MENA region, because design should be integrated in the strategy of the nations to help enterprises and also to help communities of design to be connected with this or those strategies.
Okay. Hicham, did you ask me the question, please?
Yes. So I have a question for you, Samir. Why is TRAREM embarking on strategy and industrial design on the occasion of its 65th anniversary in 2022? And how can this project become an example to raise awareness?
Yeah, it's important to know in the history of the company that for the 7 years we invest a lot of money in equipment to upgrade our quality products and competitiveness. One of the most important thing I do in my career in TRAREM, it's to completely change the industrial transformation of all our process. Wood and steel and powder coating process are now working with CNC machine, and it will be natural after the transformation, industrial transformation, to move the company and to move the strategy of the company to invest in industrial design strategy. 10 years ago, it will be not possible because we don't have all the capacity, all the process and the team to launch a strategy in strategy in industrial design.
Thank you, Samir.
Yeah.
So we can follow the other question just to share some experiences and also our vision and some maybe ideas that we can propose to WDO.
So, sorry, Hicham, can you?
The next question, yeah.
Yeah. Why, Hicham? Why choose TRAREM?
Why I choose TRAREM?
Yeah, why you choose TRAREM? I think is an important question.
Yeah, for me, TRAREM, I know you, Nor, I think since 20 years ago. And I had always a good feeling that maybe one day it's going to be interesting to develop some relations and to build one of the first design departments in Morocco and also in some countries of the region and the continent. And also to build a vision together following the history of TRAREM and how we can add add value with design, and look forward for the future. And then also, I want to share that TRAREM is doing a great job as a company, giving us solutions, expertise to partners and clients. TRAREM are working for very big companies and also middle and small enterprises. And we are working, and because I'm talking in the name of TRAREM actually, but in Indian Ocean, in Caribbean, and different countries in Africa. And we have in the next future the target of the European market and also other part of the world. So I think TRAREM for me was a good choice, and I think we will build a very strong project and showing to in different places and fairs and events what we're doing, and I would be happy to share with people that they're interesting, and they can contact me and contact Samir to know more about this project. So I'm going to the next question for you, Samir. Why the choice? Why did you choose me? And why did you decide with the team of TRAREM to set up the strategy and to nominate me as a design director for TRAREM as an enterprise, industrial company, and brand? We just want to remind to the people that they are watching us that it's also a famous brand, not only in Morocco but abroad. And this is the question, Samir.
Okay. I know Hicham for 20 years now, and after we decide with the team last year, we decide to sign a partnership with Hicham because now we are finally ready to build to have les moyens to have the tools and the process to build great things for the future with Hicham. With Hicham's support, we will improve our creative process and increase an added value of our solution product. We trust on Hicham, and we trust on his capacity to give TRAREM a new dynamic, new production dynamic. Hicham is in Morocco. Hicham is our famous Moroccan designer. He has more than 25 years of experience in design in Morocco, in Africa, and internationally. We cannot find a better partnership with Hicham. It's important that to talk about the market in Morocco. In Morocco, concept of design is in the industrial sector. The concept of design is not used by entrepreneur. Concept of design is not understood by companies, and the market is free, is open. And TRAREM, we are truly convinced that our industrial future will be led by industrial design strategy. And for us, this partnership, I think for the partnership, there is Hicham, but there is also the partnership with WDO is very important for our company. because it's important for us to be in the worldwide ecosystem of design, and WDO with the 65 experience and more than 200 organizations and more than 400,000 designers through the world. It's important to TRAREM to enter in this community, to transform our mindset and to transform our process. Voilà. Donc we trust on you, Hicham, and I'm personally convinced that this partnership will change the first decade of TRAREM in the history. It's a historic partnership in Morocco. TRAREM it will be the first company in Morocco and the MENA region to push the industrial design, and we are proud to be the first, and to become, we hope to become contagious for other industrial company in Morocco. Thank you.
Thank you, Samir, for your wonderful response. So we can maybe follow up with for the next question you want to ask me.
Yeah, Hicham, why TRAREM? Why TRAREM member of WDO and the others when we will the rise of African leadership?
I think we can take TRAREM as an example because it's going to be surprising, but even if it's Africa, it's the biggest continent in the world, and also in Africa there is a part of MENA region. And we have several regions on this continent with two figures growth economy. Most of the other countries and parts of the world are very interested to make a partnership with the African continent, because there is a lot of opportunity of human development, economic development, sustainable developments, and other points that we can discuss. And I think it's going to be a good example to ask the question why TRAREM is the only industrial company from MENA region in all Africa, the only one member of WTO. So I think there is a lot of work to do to make an interest to keep connected WTO more to the continent, and to try to promote the African leadership, to share what are the talents and what are the companies in the continent, and what's going on. So there is a lot of things going on in different fields of design, even technology, and several things. And this is a continent with a huge heritage, different cultures, different civilizations, and I think we can be between industrial design and also tradition. So thank you, Samir, for the question. I'm going to the next one for you. What do you expect from the partnership with WTO and also as a member of WTO?
Yeah, for TRAREM team, the WDO partnership is important because as we say, there is no design culture in Morocco. There is no conversation about design in Morocco. In the state of Morocco, in the industrial sector. It's a concept. No, it's a free concept, and it's for us. WDO will be a platform to enter in the community of design. We show the partnership with WDO. It's important this year also because I think they will the 2022 it's the 75 years anniversary.
65, yeah.
65 years anniversary of WDO, and they will make the event in Morocco. And for Hicham and TRAREM and WDO, I think is a very good opportunity to market the event and to market the event and to open the mind of entrepreneur to take the reflection of making grow through the industrial design. And I think with Hicham and WDO and TRAREM, I think you can build a very strong strategy to open Moroccan market to the design. I really trust on it, and I think we will see after Mount other company taking the direction of design.
Yeah, for sure. So maybe we can go to the next question for me. I think we don't have too much time.
Yeah, sorry. For you, when will a national strategy in the state in Africa, the Mena region?
And you can ask the last one in the same time.
And should WDO promote design from Africa and the Mena region? How?
I think I'm going to answer to the both question because they are related. So for me, the most important things that we have to, I'm talking now as a WDO, as a special envoy and advisor for our president, Mr. David Kusuma. And I think we should make different events to promote WDO and to promote design field globally, and to understand to the public sector and the private sector what is the meaning of design and how they have to integrate a national strategy regarding design, and also that we have the capacity to do it because we have knowledge, we have engineers, we have designers, and we have different talents in different fields. The only thing that we have to do is to understand to some people or decision maker that design can be a power, and the most important things that WDO can be a gateway or a bridge to create links between other parts of the world and the partnerships, and also to look forward. And you mentioned, Samir, thank you, that in the next week I'm working to organize a World Design Talks in Morocco for Africa, in MENA region. And I think in next year or so, we are looking to do it in other places in Africa and also in the MENA region. I'm actually working in different actions, working with our president and also the secretariat and and the managing director of WTO and some members of the board. So I think it's we have to do a lot of work for promotion of WTO and globally promotion of what is the meaning of design and how design can help in different issues for economic development and also to perform in the growth of enterprises and different things. So I think we have a good future. And you mentioned that I'm sure that we will have more and more members coming from not only from Morocco, but and other countries from Africa and also from MENA region.
It's on.
And also more we will be members, more we can take the lead and talk about our continent and region and create partnership with other parts of the world. So, and I want just to add something that there is something that I forgot to mention. This is what I'm doing very with belief and hard work. It's very important to take in mind that diplomacy. It's very important. I'm working a lot with the diplomacy field. With soft power and parallel diplomacy, and I think this is the only way to create connections and to help also WTO to focus on African continent and MENA region, and as well also other parts of the world like South America. And I think, and actually we are working to create connections with United Nations organization. This is what I'm doing, and also other organizations like African Union and different other organizations like ISESCO and etc. Thank you, Samir.
Thank you, Hicham.
Thank you both very much for that conversation. I think you both were teasing a little bit about projects to come in Morocco later this year. So to all of those who are listening, definitely stay tuned. Check out World Design Organization's website, WDO.org, and sign up to receive our newsletter so that you can be the first to hear about this program coming in September of this year and beyond. So thank you both for your contribution today.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you very much.